This is Shiva from TCS, and we will wait for Hemant is the person who is going to take the interview, and he will join shortly. Maybe it's not in 9, and he will join.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Sure.
Sure. It's up to you to turn on the camera or off. It's not important. It is not like we already saw you, so it's not required. If you are confident, or it's up to you to turn on the camera or not.
Okay, okay, okay. I can't.
Yeah, sure. We'll wait. Yeah.
Okay,
Thanks.
okay.
Hi, Vijay.
Hi, Shiv.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, Raman.
Hi, Vijay.
Yeah. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I think Hemant might come a bit late. Maybe last time also we just ended the call with him, Ramakrishna. So he just ended and then he went to another call. So yeah, continuous call. Maybe he'll join shortly, but I'm letting you know he'll join for sure. Only thing is having the busy schedule in the morning, and we already have one call in the morning, so that's why there will be a delay. We'll wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. It's 9 only, and a couple of minutes. If it is delay, I will reach you. Yeah,
Okay, okay. Sure.
yeah. Oh, hey, Hemant.
Hi, Shiva. How are you?
I and Ramakrishna in the call, and Ramakrishna, I will introduce Hemant. Hemant is working for Norfolk Southern as a solution architect in the financial area. So he has a request on the Fico consultant position. That's what we are going to have an interview right now. and he is going to walk through the need and also the evaluation of your profile. And Hemant, we already shared the Ramakrishna's profile with you, and you have the vast experience in FICO area. And over to you, you can take it forward.
Hello, Ramakrishna. My name is Hemant Pantabati. Hope you're doing good. So, can you please tell me about your experience in FICO?
Yeah, hi man. My name is Ramakrishna Pamarthi. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I have 5.3 years experience in Sap Fico and the 7 years experience in the accounting domain in the end user. My last company was Cognizant Technology Solutions. I recently left the Cognizant in the month of April 2021 due to my mental health issue. In Cognizant, I worked for 3 projects, two supporting project and one implementing project. Our client is Atlas Copco and Postcat. They are located in Denmark. And then fine implementation, I have experience in account payable, account receivable, asset accounting, FAMM integration, FSD integration, automatic payment program, and EBRS, as well in controlling cost center accounting, property center accounting, and knowledge and COPA and podcasting. These are my implementation.
So, which area you are more comfortable, FI or CO?
FIM.
CO, but you got a chance to work in CO also, right?
Yeah, I didn't get a chance to work on that, but only hands-on experience. I don't have knowledge, just some knowledge.
Okay, SDFI, coming to MMFI integration. So, when a goods receipt is done, what is the accounting entry that's passed in SAP?
The goods is the inventory account will be debited and a GRI will get the credited. The transaction code is MIGO.
So, how will that inventory account is debited, right? But how did account come into the place then? Nobody keeps it comes automatically, right?
Yeah.
So, what is the background configuration?
Yeah, the backend configuration we had on the indication of I do the settings, so all the configuration done the transaction code OBYC transaction code. In transaction code, we had in the transaction keys, so like a WRX for a GRA clearing account and a base for inventory account. Based on that, the keys will be allocation to the based on the like valuation class, whether it is raw material, whether it is finished part. For raw material, give the ROH 3000 valuation class, and for finished part, we can give the 7820 FERT valuation class. Based on the valuation class, accounts will be checked on the posting will be happen whether it is GR account, and then after Migo entry, then we had to do the when invoice receipt at land against purchase order. The entry will happen. The vendor account will get the credited and the GR account will get the debited. Once then the mirror entry done, when you make the payment to vendor account will get the debited and bank account will get the credited. Then it will be based we made the settings in based on valuation class, and the moment type is 101 is the goods happen. Moment type.
Yeah, that sounds good. That's good. Let's go to the next topic. Did you work on lockbox by any chance? AR lockbox?
Yeah, air log. I opened that. We did the
So,
configuration.
tell me please tell me the concept of lockbox.
The concept lockbox is is the customer incoming account is the clearing. We can maintain for clearing accounts there. Incoming clearing account. So you can upload that data set box.
No, what is the basic concept actually? Lockbox? What does lockbox do in the first place? Clearing accounts, maintaining configuration is okay, but business standpoint, what does lockbox work?
Lockbox, actually I didn't get the chance to work on that, but only I have knowledge on that lockbox, how you maintain that. This is where like when you compression that to look for the like vendor is customer is like when the amounts played in our incoming bank account, we can use that the payment the income payment will be cleared automatically.
That's fine. So in the SDFI integration, I have 3 revenue share accounts. One is international revenue, domestic revenue, and international revenue. 3 revenue accounts are assigned in the SDFI configuration. Now I get a domestic sale invoice. Now how will the system know that it should go and pick domestic revenue GL account, not the other 2 revenue GL accounts?
Yeah, a GL account for a FASD confidential the confidential will make the settings in VK via transaction code. Transaction you can maintain the sales organization and all based on the here accounting the condition type the KYF condition type. After that we can be a group of the customer account group assignment. There is for to maintain the whether it is a domestic revenue of 001 the key we assign that and 002 for domestic revenue. The based on the account group, the customer group, the amount will be taken on that revenue, whether it is domestic revenue, foreign revenue. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And so in FI, which area you are more comfortable with? GR, AR, AP, which area you are very comfortable
Account payable and
with? Okay. So on AR side, like I understand that I got it, but like on the AR side, what are the other things you worked on other than Lightbox?
other than works on I work on the like OTC FI indication, sorry, FI as indication like when the flow is active and how sales is getting how interfering it like we have V0 we get the sales order after sales order we get the VLO1 and goods issue BJ goods issue then like our COGS is debited and sales get dictated when you, like amount is received from customer the bank when account is debited and the customer account will get the credited the based on the configurations, the account will be the revenue accounts will be taken on that. And in account receivable, the basic configuration other than the customer creation, customer account group creation, the customer numbering, and as well as but a little bit knowledge on dunning also customer dunning we using dunning for the maximum 9 levels we can use that as per our client requirement for like a for dunning method is that like it gives a notice to yeah.
So did you work on dunning or there's a knowledge like dunning, customer statements, interest calculation, customer open items, all this? Did you work on it or like?
No knowledge I have no, I didn't work on the chance
Knowledge.
yeah.
Okay. So from the AP side, what did you work on? Like did you work on the payments via IDOC or EDI? Did you work on those items?
Yeah, in APP in accounts payable we can work in the automatic payment program, uh, automatic payment program and the EBRS. In automatic payment program, like whenever make the payment to vendor, we make the settings in a BJP transaction. The transaction looking in the company code, all company code methods and the company code methods, all like a country methods and bank determination transaction looking that. In our company, in paying company code method, we can give the payment method like whatever payment method is that generally we use for the payment a transfer and payment the pay method a check payment the based on the payment the method we can use that and we get the house banks in like if I want to transaction based on the house banks we can list the number of accounts like our client has like 4 bank accounts in Denmark. One is the Swedish bank, the Danish bank, and Nordea bank. We can send the all bank accounts. Because this sometimes account like our client requirement is to make the payment from different bank account. Based on that, we after we run the payment proposal, there is a transaction then we can reallocate the bank based on the bank. We can change and make the payment so that the once is the proposal run is happen the file the DMV the file is saved in the AL11 AL11 folder automatically separation folder. The based on the AL11 folder we have the software using the Delbumi software. The data will transfer to
That's fine. I
yeah
understand.
yeah.
I understand. I got it. I got it. I got it. Like so, let's go to the CO side. CO, did you work on cost center accounting and internal orders?
The cost center accounting, I have work on the cost center case and KI01. Before that, I work on the this we maintain the cost center hierarchy where cost centers happen for the like department
Like
level. Yeah.
allocation, did you work on allocation assessments, distribution, and all those?
Yeah, cost the cost at month end cost like assessment you can find that where the primary the central cost and receiver cost we can even allocate to the different the segment level again then at month end we can do the the segregation of the cost, where the cost is the incurred is that for coming to internal orders, we can the work and the internal orders get the actually we have the construction company also there. In construction company we use the working order, we create the working order in the internal orders. KA01 transaction code in KA01 we can analyze that what is the estimation budget amount, what is the work order duration, like what is the who is the responsible, work rollout, work in progress, and assign it based on the category. After that, the work is we post all cost, we post to the particular internal order. Once the work is completed within like 5 years, 2 years, then we the cost move to the real estate accounting. The real estate from AEC to the real estate we can move that. As well as I created the investment order also for calculation of the asset at plant level. We used to the purchase vehicles and furniture. The mainly where the purchasing vehicle for transport.
That's okay. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Now coming to GL, did you work on parallel ledgers?
Yeah, parallel ledger.
Ledgers?
Yeah, parallel ledger we can just know with the other than local currency based on the accounting principle we assign that accounting principle, whether it is IFRS, we can use that IFRS standard, you can use that allocation for leading non-ledger, you can use the parallel ledger accounting, you can use that for reporting purpose.
Okay, so coming to this parallel ledger, let's say post. Okay, how many parallel ledgers can we create?
I'm on two parallel ledger again.
Did you work on asset accounting?
Yeah, I work on asset accounting.
Coming to, did you work on IDOCs and all that?
Yeah, HIDOCs. I work on HIDOCs. HIDOC is happen when we get this stuck some like when we make the payment to bank. It was getting some error. The file is getting some error. Then we can the bank can notify that we can identify it the transaction code W02. We can see it only where error is happen. There is a after that we inform to the developer where we got the error only, and sometimes we make the if there is any possible we can make the changes in W05 also W02 like after changes will be done at a time we can do the multiple changes for the sometimes what happen the bank error happen for 50 line items also like 50 items we can change at a time with there is a that shared IDOC program is there.
Okay, that's fine. So what is the function specification?
Yeah, function specification is that for is the documentation we have maintained that whenever the client is required. Recently, what happened? There is a problem happened. The customer wants to add one field in a BLTN report while generating purpose. Reporting purpose in the client location in Denmark, there will be they maintain the retail business in stamps in a retail the store. They want to add the store number is different for each store. We can check the possibility in custom already reports in standard reports. There is not possibility. Then we get the data from the users through email. Like what is the requirement is there, what is the requirement, what is the they want to exactly we analyze and we prepare the we have the standard template for the function specification. Once we fill the we have to fill all the details, what is the company code, where field is required, all technical fields, what is the timelines. It will take 4 days or 5 day maximum limit on there. Then once file is prepared, we inbound to business through mail. Once business is approved for that mail, then we consulted developer. We power the all details to developer. Once developer will done all the settings, all the configuration done, he also maintain one documentation. After that, I tested in the sandbox system. In sandbox, we can test it.
I'm just asking an FS. What is an FS?
FS is a function specification. We can maintain the documentation with that. It is requirement
so
of
the documentation. Who creates that? What kind of a documentation it is? What
Yeah,
does it contain?
it contain all the the function is happen is data is not available in this SAP standard report. It is the customization report as per client requirements. While doing the customizing reports, we have to they maintain the documentation, like what is the requirement, what is the company, all data requirement. While do the testing, UAT testing in system, we had to maintain how we go, how it works, what is the data, all the we have maintained all the documentation, UAT testing documentation also we can maintain.
No, no, no. That's UAT testing documentation. I'm talking about functional specification. So there's the UAT documentation, the testing documentation, and all that. But FS contains some important things, right? What exactly does it contain? So I'm
Yeah,
so,
it is a concern, isn't it? We said the change required is it?
say it again. Change record.
Yeah, change request is that TR is that change request we hear that it contains only the fields is as per client requirement. We can maintain the customized report, ZF reports on Z reports.
Okay, so coming to this interfaces, did you work on interfaces?
Yeah, interface knowledge and that the interfaces through IDOC only can do that only. But interfaces happen when the customer using the blackline tool. Blackline tool for journal entries posting and the balance sheet account reconciliation. At month end open, the data is the interfacing with while posting the journal entry in accounting document entry in Blackline tool, data will flow to the SAP system through IDOC.
Okay.
Yeah.
So anything else you want to ask me?
No question.
Any question for me?
No, Hemant, no, I have no questions.
Yeah. Thank you, Ramakrishna, for your time.
Thank you so much, Shiva and Kishore.
Yeah, thanks, Ramakrishna.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
You may drop the call.
Yeah,
Thanks.
thank you. No, IDOC pen is the interfacing pen, black data is interface. No, IDOC will not happen that. No interfaces. No have interface. No, I need a chance to work. Template we company ask people like where they getting that probably them can there some template tables changes in there. Yes, user ID. Yes, okay, of course template is please why are you using what templates, why using main thing observation main thing. Okay, here is a change request which you get the change request if saying the enhancement process enhancement reporting. This is reporting right enhancement reporting have introduction the blog is segment manager the document is not posted I don't no no interface not knowledge about interfaces. No, network interfaces. Just knowledge interfaces. Would you need advice how to start with interface? We have external interface in SAP and posting billing document. Yeah, interface is happen to SAP server to data is moved to the interface happen. For example, we have interface happen. How data is interface? The data is interface or yeah, I have knowledge. The interface they are using the different service store level. We can use the small server. It is we call server name is a different tool. That tool is chunks. They using different tool for running purpose. The data is when the running is happen. The interface happen every 2-3 hours. Just OS database, PTP, FTP. Yeah, that is moving from other. Functional specification or specifications. Okay, functional specifications that existing reports, change request. We can do that. Functional specification we can write the time of SAP delivered standard reports. Standard reports delivered to meet their client requirement to like standard reporting. ABL1, ABL3 and ABL5 and we can create one reports. The customers reports created. Okay, you want different test cases in case. We develop the skills. So yes, we can create it as client requirement. Okay, 01 again. Look, 5 minutes. So what is our technical skills? Data is interfacing. Yeah, we have knowledge on the new 023 check and business we have discussion. అది రికార్డింగ్ అయిపోయింది. రికార్డింగ్ జరుగుతుంది. అక్కడ అయిపోయింది కదా?
అవుతుంది. లేట్గా వచ్చినా తొందరగా అయిపోయిందా?
లేట్గా వచ్చాను ఎంత 2 నిమిషాలు.
ఇదేనా మధ్యలోదేనా?
ఆపి